Beat your street entertainment. What you know about it?
I'm just a bird and I like to fly.
Get the fuck up, man. I'm too tired for this shit. Fuck days ago.
Fucking Monday. What, you want to do something?
I don't even know. What the fuck, man? Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Hustling Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Every day, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Hustling Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Every day, get this load off the Joe, dipping through the city roads. Any means for the dough, bake it up, cut the bread, serve fresh every day. Never late to getting paid. Hit me up, I'm on the way.
Hi, this is Birdman, and I'm going to brush my teeth. This is how I do every single day. It's quite hard doing this one hand, figuring I am the only cameraman. This is how you brush your teeth. You make sure you get your teeth clean and pretty. Just like this. Always get the tongue. Always get the tongue. Because if you miss the tongue, you still have bad breath. You make love to the toothbrush, because the toothbrush loves you. Fucking loves you. I'm telling you. And that's how you brush your teeth. Thank you.